Hey, what's up, everybody? So today we're going to do an entire affiliate marketing setup from the ground up. Now, the cool thing is we're going to be setting this up using Funnel Freedom, and you're going to see how easy it is to clone an entire seven-figure business. So I have with me my man Brandon Hammer, and let me pull him up real quick. What's up, bro? How are you?
What's going on, Jonathan? Doing great.
Hey, man, good to have you here. So yeah, man, I want to walk you through the entire process of how we build this business. But we're going to be using the Funnel Freedom software because, what we're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to build the opt-in page, the landing page, the lead magnet. We're going to be able to do it literally all in this call. So you're going to see how it works. Before, though, I actually go in and we actually build it all out and we show screen. I want to kind of recap. I know you've gone through some of my stuff before, Brandon. But I just want to recap kind of what we're going to be doing. Can you see everything there, man?
Yeah, I can see everything.
Okay. So this is basically how I've built my business from the ground up. Okay. So this is what I want to replicate for you and everyone out there is this right here. The magic of affiliate marketing is, we're able to build this email list right here. Okay. This is the main thing we're going to be focusing on is building this email list. Okay. So to do that, okay, we're going to be giving away something for free. And that's what this page is for. This is called an opt-in page. Now, again, you're probably familiar with some of this, Brandon, but this is for, people watching. But right here, we're going to be able to give away a free course in exchange for an email. Okay. So once we do that and we get an email, we're going to start building this massive list. And the magic of affiliate marketing is we're going to be able to have this automated follow-up where we send email after email after email to multiple different programs. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to dive back into here. And I'm going to show you every parts of how we're building this out. Is there any questions so far, or do you want to just start building it?
Let's right into it.
All right, man. Cool. So I'm going to pull up your account. Okay. This is your Funnel Freedom account. Now, have you already logged in to your Funnel Freedom account? You haven't yet? Okay. No worries. I pulled it up, but one second here. And real quick, I'm hearing an echo from your side, so I just want to let you know on that. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you. Is it better now?
I think so. Yeah, I think that's good now. So what I'm going to do, man, and just so you know, the power of the software is this Funnel Freedom, little tab right here. Do you see that little tab right? This on the bottom left. So this is kind of where all the magic happens. So right now, this is kind of like this is the main setup right here, but we have to set up some initial things to get this working. So I'm going to go ahead and just do this for you because after this is done, you don't have to worry about doing this again. But let me show you what we're going to be doing here. So all I'm doing is I'm going to go to sites here, and I'm just kind of following these instructions. But I'm just going to go to sites here. Again, don't worry about this because after this is done, you don't have to do it again. But basically, I'm going to grab this. Oops, actually, wrong link here. Let me go to this do not delete configuration. Okay. Again, after I grab this, we don't have to grab it again. So I'm just going to grab this link here. I'm going to go to settings, custom values. Okay, I'm going to go to this little pencil here, and I'm going to paste this link. Okay, again, you don't have to do this after this first time. So after this is done, okay, now if we go back, and I go back to the Funnel Freedom tab, you'll see now Everything is set up. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what's cool is every time you enter your information in this funnel freedom tab, now all of your information is going to go onto your funnels. Okay, so all the affiliate links, if you look on the top right here, you can put all your affiliate links for all these programs, and it's going to directly go into, all the emails. Okay, so for example, just, we're going to put all our links here for all these programs. And then what happens is the software is going to then, once you start building your email list, it's going to automatically send these emails, based on the affiliate program we're promoting. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Cool, man. So let's go ahead and just start filling this out, and then you'll see how easy this is. So we're going to start with the profile and social settings. Do you want to go ahead and do it on your end, or do you want me to do it for you, or how do you want to do it?
Let's see.
Because you're logged into Funnel Freedom, right?
I might can fill out some of it.
Let me see here. Okay, I'm sharing your screen now. Let me see. Go ahead and log in. Go to app.funnelfreedom.io. Yeah, because I want you to do it that way you can kind of see, the exactly how to do it. Cool. Let me know when you log in, and then let me know when to share screen here.
Okay. It's loading.
All right. Okay, I'm going to share screen,
Are
okay?
you sharing the email? Are you sharing the email?
What was that?
I was just asking were you still able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. It sounds a little hard to hear. I don't know if you're connected to the right mic, but I can still hear you. It's just a little hard to hear. Yeah, go to settings real quick. Yeah, settings, audio.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Hello?
Is it better now?
Yeah, way better. Cool, man.
Is it better now? Okay.
Way better. Cool. Okay, we can all see your screen. You're good to go. So, okay, so scroll down to the Funnel Freedom tab, bottom left. Yeah, you're good there. I can see everything. Yeah, so funnel. Yeah, scroll down. No, on the tabs on the left there. Yeah, perfect. Scroll down all the way. You'll see the Funnel Freedom. Yep. So like I said, I already initialized everything for you, so you can just start filling out some of that information. So don't worry. Okay, so you can see your full name's done, your first name's done. We don't have to spend time doing the Facebook, YouTube link if you don't want to. What I really want to do is the picture though. So if you go all the way to the bottom, the top, I'll show you how to do in just a second. That white label post link, that's an important one. But we'll do that after we do your domain. Okay. So scroll down to the bottom and you'll see where it says your photo.
Right.
Okay, so we need to get your photo. So to do that, you're gonna go to we're gonna upload a photo first. So you're gonna go to the settings part on the bottom left. Bottom left, and then you're gonna look for. I'm gonna move screen here because I don't want it to show any info. But you're gonna go scroll down. You're gonna look for media on the left settings. All the way to the left, and then you're gonna look for media. There we go. Okay, cool. So you found the media tab, and then go ahead and upload a photo. And the cool thing about this is you could even create images using AI. Question: what funnel builder are you using right now, man? All right, let him get the photo up. Sweet. Cool. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Brandon, I don't know if you heard me. What funnel builder are you currently using right now? Before you're using Funnel Freedom.
Right. System.io.
Oh, okay. Cool. I was just curious. All right. Right click that photo now. And then see where it says get link. Yes. Okay, cool. So now you can go back to the Funnel Freedom settings. So go all the way back. Yep. Go back. All the way scroll down on the bottom left. Yep. Go to Funnel Freedom. And then add that link where it says get photo or your photo. Perfect. Okay, cool. So let's test this out real quick. Okay, so go to and I kind of want to walk you through this process. So go where it says sites. This is like where all your funnels are at. Yep, sites. This is, and you could build unlimited funnels in here. So if you go to sites, you can go to. So this has already been built in. So go to Freedom Ascension. Yeah, the FF Freedom Ascension. Yeah, this is your opt-in page and funnel. So you'll notice if you go ahead and open that link, that actual open up that page right there. Yes. So right now you'll see if you go down a little bit, that's already been updated and then it's got your name in it. So that's how everything's going to be. So let me show you one more thing. Go to the go back to Funnel Freedom. And then go to members area module 1. No, you're still good there. No, I'm sorry. Go back to sites. Okay. No, you're good. I just want you to understand where everything's at, because this is where everything's going to be at. So, yep, go back in there. Click on members area module 1. Perfect. And then go ahead and open that page. So this is actually this is the free course that you're going to be giving out as your own. You can see it's already been updated. It's a 7-part course. So this is the free course that you're giving out. You can see it has your name in there. There's an introduction. All this has already been done. Okay, so it's super cool. And then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see there's an affiliate link. Those will all go to your affiliate link. Not right now because we haven't set that up quite yet. We're going to do that in just a second. So before we move on, though, go ahead and copy that URL at the top.
This one?
Yep. And you'll see right. Okay, so you'll see right now it's not your own domain. It's the app.freedomfunnel.io, and then it's got that weird URL. So in just a little bit, we're gonna add your domain. That way, it's your own website. But for now, let's go ahead and just let's see how that works. So let's go back to the Funnel Freedom. Go ahead and keep that page up. Yeah, go to the Funnel Freedom settings, bottom left, little lightning bolt settings.
Right.
Oh, not that. No, the where you put the values in.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, right there. Perfect. And then, okay, this is where you want to put that white label course members area link. Yeah. So go ahead and paste that there.
I gotta go get it real quick. Oh, this is the same one I just copied. Yeah.
Yep, that's the one. Yeah, that's okay. So just so you know, this is the free course that we're giving out. So right. You'll see how it works in just a little bit. But basically, you'll see it's that weird URL. So we're gonna have to fix it once we change the domain. But for now, it'll work for now. So go ahead and save that, and then I'll let you do the TikTok, Instagram link later. What I really want to do is the affiliate setting. So go to affiliate setting, that button right there. And you'll see now it switches over to the affiliate settings. I think you're already an affiliate of some of these, correct?
Yeah.
So if you want to just do
Absolutely.
a few of them, do you have them on hand, like the 72-hour challenge?
I used to have them on a spreadsheet, but I might have to grab them like individual.
Well, it's up to you. Do you want to do that on the call, or do you know how to get those?
I know how to get those.
Okay, cool. So, and if there's some of these that you need to apply, just so you know, go to the top real quick and see that document, the first document there. Yes. So just click on that real quick. So if some of those programs you might not have applied for, so I think you're an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. I'm pretty sure you're an affiliate for my 72-hour challenge. You have all those, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So yeah, so I mean, if some of those that you haven't applied, you can very easily just go apply there. And then, are you an affiliate for the actual software itself, Funnel Freedom, or not yet?
I signed up last night.
Okay, cool. So I mean, yeah, I mean, you can go ahead and do that later then if you want. But just so people know, this is where you, I mean, this is where you go and get your affiliate link. So once you put your links in here, basically what happens is when the emails go out, it's going to have your affiliate link in there. Okay. If you want to try one of them for now, just so we can test that out and everything's working properly. If you want to go ahead and look for the, let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna find yours real quick.
Go. Okay. So to go, yeah, there we go. Affiliates dot, you just had it. No, not that one. It's going to be affiliates dot. No, you're good. Affiliates dot Jonathan Montoya Live. It's that going to be, well, that's the Funnel Freedom one. So you can do that one as well if you wanted to.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that one as well. So go ahead and sign up with that. I'm going to stop sharing so it doesn't show your email. Let me know when you're logged in.
Okay, I'm logged into that one.
Okay, cool. So now just grab that link for Funnel Freedom. Perfect. Go back. Yep. Put your Funnel Freedom. Yep. Put that Funnel Freedom where it says affiliate link. Boom. Perfect. Okay. If you want to do the 72-hour challenge now.
Yeah, I'm going to review that one now.
So that one you go to affiliates.jonathanmontoyalive.com. And again, this is all on the, let's see, Jonathan, JON. Yeah. A little bit up. That one right there, the top one. Yep. And again, this is all on the spreadsheet. So, you know, let me know when you logged in. Perfect. Okay. Perfect, man. So go ahead and go down. Okay, so okay, that's the old one. Yep. Okay. I'll go to that one. Yep. And most people won't have the old one, so it's all good. So actually that's go to the where it says links there, because I think you have a different one. So go to the 72-hour challenge VSL.
VSL.
Yeah. That'll be the link there. Okay, copy that. There we go. And then put that in there. And then let's do the Freedom Accelerator checkout. That one's important. So let's go back, same area, and then select where it says Freedom Accelerator checkout. Yeah, perfect. Copy that. That one, actually put that one under Freedom Accelerator direct checkout. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so for the webinar, actually, that one's on Digistore. Do you happen to have that one?
Let's see.
So that one's not going to be on First Promoter.
I had it somewhere.
Yeah, so let's okay, real quick before we move on, do you have a Digistore account?
Yeah, I got a Digistore account already.
Okay, so all you have to do is, do you see that link where it says HTTPS Digistore? Copy that whole link that you see right there. Not that one, the one under it, a little bit under it.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yep, so that's it. The only thing you're changing is where it says affiliate. That's going to be your Digistore ID. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. A lot of people get confused. What was that?
I said I can do that one later.
Okay, cool. I just want you to. A lot of people get confused with like the webinar and then the challenge. So that's cool. So go ahead and just save that. and let's go ahead and do some of the other stuff now. Okay, cool. So let's test this out real quick. So go back to the course, the one that you had on the. You have it open right there. It's that Freedom Ascension.
Right here.
Yeah. So go ahead and just go ahead and refresh it. Let's just test this out and see if this is kind of working. So now click on the affiliate link at the bottom. That one right there. Perfect. It goes to the affiliate link. Do you see that? Or it has your affiliate link on the URL?
Yeah.
Perfect. So you're good. So that's working. And the same thing with all the emails that are going to be sent out. Those are going to go back to your affiliate link. So that's good. So now let's go ahead and do your domain. That's kind of like the most important part. You ready to do that?
Yeah.
So you have Google domains, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I've never done that myself, so this will be new for me. Let's see how easy or hard it is. So we're gonna go to go back to settings there, all the way down the regular settings. Yep. What was that?
I said Google domains. It can be complicated.
We'll see, man. We'll see. Okay, so now go to the settings, all the way scroll to the left. And then look for, the domains. Look for domains. I'm not sharing screen right now because. Okay, cool. Domains. Perfect. Okay, so add domain. And then go ahead and add. For those of you who are watching and you already have a domain, that's what he's doing. Now, if you need to buy a domain, you can go to GoDaddy and actually buy one. So he already has one, though. So he's using brandonhammer.org. So hopefully it can see your domain and it can just add it. That's my hope. So we'll find out. Cool. So it sees that it's a Google domain. I think it's going to go right in. I'm hoping it does. I've never done it with Google domain, so we'll find out. Can't access domain. Let's see here. Yeah, I've never used Google domain with Funnel Freedom, so we're okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let me know. Sweet. Okay. Okay. So now, did you connect it? Okay, so go back to the Funnel Freedom. Let's see. And my hope is it just literally it does everything for you. That's the hope. We'll see. Let me see here. Couldn't find. Okay. Yeah, I know what. So I what was that?
I said I might have to refresh it because I was signed into the wrong email initially.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you. Okay, so if it doesn't work, then wait, did it work?
I'm just refreshing it real quick.
Okay, got it. It looks like it directly integrates, though. The only one I know that does that is GoDaddy, but it looks like Google Domains does that too, so that's cool. I know if you're using Namecheap, it's a little bit harder. I did a setup with this lady using Namecheap, and it was a little difficult. So hopefully Google Domains is not as difficult.
It's like it's sounding into the wrong.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So it's a little bit of a glitch on Google's end. Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, I know what you're saying. It's going to the wrong one on Google since you have multiple Google sign-ins, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder if you can sign out of the other Google.
Are you still sharing screen?
Here, I'll take it off.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do.
Okay. So you're gonna just sign out of the other ones and have the only one there, correct? Yeah, that will work. Perfect.
Yeah.
But the good news is it looks like it directly integrates, which is nice. You don't have to do all the coding. While you're doing that, I'm just gonna show people. I'm gonna share my screen. So he already has a domain, but if you guys are needing to buy a domain, you guys can go to GoDaddy and buy that here. So just want to mention that. Okay, can I share screen now?
Yeah.
Let's see here.
It's showing I'm signed in.
Okay. Request and process. Go ahead and refresh that page. Let's see. Looks like it's the domain's always the funnest part. Once you get that going, you are ready to rock. Okay, perfect. So let's add domain. Let's hopefully this works now. I'll add your domain in there.
I still must have wrong email.
Huh.
Let's see if I can sign out, maybe.
Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, once we, yeah, I think if you sign out of those or if you use like incognito, that would work. But yeah, no, I for some reason it's defaulting to that other account for whatever reason. But
Let's see if that fixes it. It's crossed every time it's shown.
is it letting you sign in?
Yep. Okay. This one pops up right here.
Oh, awesome. Yeah. So yeah, hit yes, connect, and hopefully now it'll just directly integrate.
Yep, it directly integrated.
Let's see. Go back to Funnel Freedom. Let's see. Hopefully it will work, and we'll find out. Oh, go ahead and close that tab, the Google Domains tab. I think you have to close it. No, not that one.
I need to close this one.
Right. Let's see. I might have to do it again, but it's okay. We'll refresh that real quick. Let's make sure it wasn't on there.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. It looks like it worked, so that's cool. That's perfect. That makes things so much easier, man. So good. Now I know that Google Domains integrates directly with Funnel Freedom. I didn't know that, so that is perfect. Yeah, Namecheap is the only one that's kind of rough because you have to do everything manually. Okay, yeah, I guess you have to do it again. That's fine. So just go ahead and, for some reason, I didn't do it when you didn't do the tab. So let's do it one more time. Where are you calling in from, man?
I'm in Chicago right now.
Oh, cool. There we go. Okay, so yeah, now yes, connect. And then I think we had to just, let me see here. Okay, go ahead and exit that tab out now on this exit it out. Yeah. Hopefully that was the only thing. Okay, cool. It looks like it's doing something now. Okay, could require 30 seconds. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, domains are always a frustrating part of it.
Domains are interesting. Yeah, you never know, but this makes it pretty easy. So it looks like it's trying to authorize it. Burr, it worked. Perfect, man. Okay, so just link domain right there. Just link that to the Freedom Ascension. Yep. Set default funnel step opt-in. Yep. And then additional, just hit that as opt-in or the first one there, the first one at the top. Yeah. Yep. Link domain. Perfect, dude. Well, I think we got it done then. So now let's see. So now just go to your website, brandonhammer.org. Just like type it in. Yeah. And this is the moment of truth. Let's see if it worked. Did you type in that name, right?
Yeah. Type it in. I'm open the first tab. Okay.
Perfect. Awesome, man. It worked. So if you scroll down, you'll see it has, if you go all the way down. Yep. Perfect. So we're good to go there. So the only thing we have to do now is we got to add an email. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go back to, stay there, go to email services. And now let's go ahead and add the email part of things. So you're going to go to the little X there. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. You're good there. Yeah. Go to add domain. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then go ahead and add, I always do like reply dot whatever your domain is, but you can do whatever you want. So yeah, you can do reply.brandonhammer.com or .org, add and verify, and this will be like your go ahead and continue, and this will do the same thing where it'll go ahead and add that email or that it'll be that dedicated email for when you send an email, because we want to send it from a dedicated domain. We don't want to send it from a Gmail or something like that. So yeah, same thing here. It's going to ask you to connect it. Go ahead and authorize. Yeah, it's so nice that it does it for you. So that's the beauty. That's why I always tell people, just get a GoDaddy. So this always takes a second. So that's okay. Go down to the bottom and hit verify. And then this always takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute. Oh, that was quick. It looks like Google is faster than GoDaddy. So that's cool. All right, go up. So go back to dedicated domains. And then, okay, so just hit verify now. So yeah, sometimes it takes a second. You have to kind of go back and forth. And then go back to dedicated domains. I just kind of, you can do that too.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah, sometimes it just takes a second here. Okay, now it's pending. So just keep going back and forth, and usually that works.
Okay.
But it looks like it's almost there. So. Boom. Perfect. Man, your setup has been super easy. Okay, I love this. Okay, so now, man, that's the email. That's the email we're gonna use. So the only thing we got to do now is we have to see where it says business profile. On the I'm gonna remove screen here. And I'm not showing your screen right now, but did you see where it says like business email or something like that?
Yeah.
Go ahead and put reply at brandonhammer.org. That's going to be the email it's sending from. Okay. And I'm not sharing screen right now, so just let you know.
Screen froze. I'm refreshing my screen real quick.
Okay. And just so you know, your camera's not showing anymore. But I could hear you fine, so that's okay. There we go.
I didn't even notice. It times out after so long.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. Okay. But yeah, it seems like everything's working. Yeah, so
you said under the business profile, just says that email to reply.brandonhammer.org.
Reply at brandonhammer.org. Yes, that's going to be your business email. So yeah. And let me know when that's done. Is that done?
Yep.
Okay, go back to the, let me know if I can share screen now on your, go ahead and go back, get out of there, go back to.
Oh, wait, just a moment. Forgot to hit update information.
Okay, cool. Update all that. Go ahead and go back.
All right.
Okay.
Start back sharing screen.
Okay, cool. All right, so I think you're good to go there. Okay, good. So now let's test it out, man. I mean, technically you're all set up. Let me just, I'm going to look on my end if everything's good to go. Because I can see everything here, but let's just test it out and let's see if this is working. But I think everything's good to go, which is perfect. So, okay, cool. So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to share my screen now. So let me see here. 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to find out if this works. Okay. So, and then, can you still hear me? Your video, your thing went out. You still hear me, Brandon? There he is. Hey.
Yeah, my laptop died. Plugged
Oh, no worries, no worries. Okay, this is we got what we needed done. So that's perfect. So I'm gonna test it out now. Okay. So I'm gonna go to brandonhammer.org. That's your free course opt-in. So there we go. I'm in. I'm gonna go ahead and enter a name and email here. I'm gonna try this email here. I'm gonna consent. So I'm gonna go ahead and opt in. So I opted in. So what I did here, just so everyone knows what we're doing, is I opted in for the free course. Okay. So what I just did is I opted in. I put my email here on this page. That was the brandonhammer.org. My email should be on your email list now, and we'll check that in just a second. So the first email I should have gotten should have been this right here. Okay. So we're going to test that out. We're going to test it out and see if I got that. So I'm going to go to my inbox here and we're going to find out if this is showing. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. So let's see. There it is. Let me see. There it is. It worked.
And I landed in the inbox instead of spam. So
dude, it landed right in the inbox. So if I go over here and it went from the right email too, you'll see here, it went from let me see, replybrandon.org. I'm not sure what has another reply here. Oh yeah, because we put that in there. So that's fine. But yeah, no, that's good, man. It looks like everything's good to go. Okay, we have to fix one more thing here, but this is the free course that it gave me, remember?
Right.
So if I click on this, it should go to the free course. The only problem is that this is going to that weird URL still.
Oh,
so we gotta go fix that now. Okay. I know your laptop died, so do you want me to fix that for you?
Yeah, you can fix it for me if you don't mind.
Okay, so this is a super easy fix. So all we gotta do, this is the link we gotta update, because you originally put that weird link, which still works, but we want everything branded to your domain. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to sites. I'm going to go to Freedom Ascension, and I'm going to go to members area module 1. Okay. Okay. Now you'll see it's branded, or it's branded to your domain. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. So now I'm just going to copy that, go to Funnel Freedom. And if I click on that, it should be good to go. So if I update that, that's good. So I want to test one more thing out. Remember your email list, or when I enter my email, all the emails that you're collecting, they all should be on your email list. So let's check that out and see if that worked. So if I go to contacts, okay, there's my email. I'm on your email list. Do you see that?
Yep, I'm looking at it now.
So that's good to go. I'm going to delete this real quick because I want to test one more thing out. Okay. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to go ahead and opt in one more time. And I want to make sure that link updated the new email. Okay.
All right.
So let's see here. I'm going to go back over here. Let's see if it'll let me do it. I don't know if it will because I just did it, but let's just test it out. So I'm going to put my name. Let's see if it'll let me do it. So it'll still go here. But what I want to check is I want to check if, let me see here. There it is. Okay. I got the second email. Okay. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
So now, do you see how it changed?
Oh yeah, it updated automatically.
Yep. So if I click on this, it still goes to that same free course link, but it now has your branding at the top. You see that?
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
Yeah, man. And then, of course, these links should all still be good. So if I click on this, it goes to your Brandon affiliate link. Perfect.
And then when I update the social medias, like they'll be pretty much branded to that page too.
Correct. So once you fix your social media accounts, these will all go to your social medias. And again, to fix that, it's super easy to do. You just go to the funnel freedom settings here on the bottom left. And then you just put your social accounts here, which, you can do pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Let's see. I want to test one more thing out. Let's go back to the free course. So all of these should go to certain affiliate links. So if I go to part 7 is I'm teaching people how to use the software, kind of like what we're doing now. But you'll see here, sign up for Funnel Freedom. If I click on this affiliate link, it has your Brandon affiliate link right here when people buy the software. So that's all good to go. And then right here, I do a soft pitch on Freedom Accelerator, which is my $2,000 coaching program. But if you click on this here, people get the free course and they click on this, it goes to the $2,000 program, but you'll see it has your affiliate link. See that?
Yeah.
So that's all good to go. It looks like everything's working perfectly. All the emails are firing and they're going to inbox. So yeah, man, you're good to go. That was actually a really simple and easy setup. So do you have any questions for me, or is there anything you want to kind of go over with the software? But yeah, the setup, like, you're good to go. You can start promoting the free course now.
Now, say if like you had an existing email list already, you just kind of like port that in.
Yeah, let me show you how to do that. So if you go to your Funnel Freedom account and you go to contacts, you can actually go to import contacts here, and you can go ahead and upload your list.
And then the moment once they're uploading everything, they go through that initial first step that we set up to.
You can have them do that if you want. So when you upload a file, you can say have them go through that sequence. So just so you know, all the automated sequence stuff is under automation. So if you click on automation, all the emails are going out. You'll see here, white label course Freedom Ascension. This is the sequence that they go through. So, the first email that someone gets is this, here's your free course, which is the one I just got, right? Because I just opted in. But
Right.
Then it's going to wait a day. Then it's going to send an email to the challenge. Then it's going to wait a day, and it's going to send an email to a backstory. And then it's going to wait a day. So you can see the whole workflow starts, and it goes for like a whole year, going to multiple affiliate programs. You'll see the next 60 days, it's going to YouTube videos, it's going to value content. So it's not just offer. We're sending a lot of value as well, which is super cool. And this is going to the webinar. It's all sending to a different thing. Okay. So for example, this is a cool one right here. So 8 stages of leaving your 9-to-5 job. This is simply a value video to get to help someone's mindset. So for example, I just got that email from my dad the other day. Here it is right here. 8 stages of leaving your 9 to 5. Okay. So it's an email that goes to a value YouTube video, but you get the credit, which is super cool. So if I click on this, and this will be, and you'll see how this works in just a second. So what we've done is we've added your email, or we've added this value YouTube video on this landing page. But the cool part is, and what you'll notice, if you happen to click on this link here, someone gets value from this video, they click on this link, you can see it goes to, in this case, my dad's affiliate link. But if you send the email, it'll go to your affiliate link, which is super cool. But we put it all, all this is based on value, right? We don't want to just send offer. We want to be able to send people to value pages. That way people are getting value. And again, as you know, if people are getting value, they're going to buy, right?
Mhm.
So yeah, man, that's how it works. But you can, back to your question, you can very easily import your contacts right here. I've actually gone ahead and done that with GetResponse. I have a huge list of, hundreds of thousands of people. I've gone ahead and moved everything over myself. And I've created multiple lists. Like for example,
Yeah, that was my next question.
What was that?
I said, yeah, that was gonna be my next question about like the multiple list part.
Yeah. So you can very easily do that. So you'll see here. Do you see where it says I have do you see I have different lists here at the top? Yeah. So you can very easily do that. And I'll show you how to do it in just a second. Let me pull up your account. So if we go back to your account, I can go ahead and create a smart list. So you can do that by, let's just say you import a contact. Let me see here. So for example, okay, let's just say we want to put these 2 emails on a smart list. So if I click on the emails and I go to more filters, you can go to where it says, let me see here. Let me see. Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. So let's just say email. Okay, so you would have to do a filter first. So the way you do it is, let me stop this. So you'd have to go to more filters. Let's just say, I don't know. Let's just say we have a tag. We want to tag everyone that became an opt-in for the Freedom Ascension, right? So there we go. See where it says Save Smart List?
Yeah.
So I can go ahead and just say, hey, this will be free course opt-in, right? And then you see now it creates a list. Cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
And then you can see all of them here. But yeah, that's how you do it. You just go to more filters, and then whatever the tag is or whatever you're trying to do, you just click on that, tag is or is not, whatever. Let's just say you create a different list for something else. You can go ahead and do like, whatever. Let's just say this is your import list from System.io. Obviously there's nothing yet, but you can save a smart list. You can put old contact list or whatever it is, but I'm not going to do that. But does that make sense? It's just you can create super easy lists with this, and then that's how you kind of you can pick and choose what emails you want to send to who and stuff like that once you do that. So
I got you.
But yeah, it's crazy, man. You can do a lot of crazy stuff with this. So I know you have a bit more experience than like a lot of people. So I'll kind of walk you through some of it, but you can go through, if you go to marketing, you could literally plan out, you can schedule out all your posts all on Funnel Freedom. So you can have this thing where it schedules out a whole social media post for the entire year. So you can see manage social media. The only thing you have to do is you have to connect your Instagram accounts to it. So if you go to settings, integrations, that's where you do all that. You can connect your Instagrams and you can, or all your social medias, and it'll schedule out a post for you. Super cool. Another thing you can do that's super cool for, once you start getting a lot of people to comment, like for example, let's just say you make a video and you're like, hey, comment down below the word free course. Well, you can have an automation where it automatically DMs people and automatically comments, which is super valuable.
That's impressive.
Yeah, man. So it's really, really cool. Actually, Victoria, are you in the Facebook group for Funnel Freedom?
Yeah, I just got accepted in.
Okay. Yeah, Victoria actually did that. So let me see if I can find that. Because she was like the first one to do it, and everyone was like, here, actually, let me show you the Facebook group here. So this is Tim Hewitt. He's actually the one that was able to figure out all the scheduling. So you can see he scheduled out posts using Funnel Freedom for an entire year. And then, I'm trying to look for Victoria's, but she was able to, like I said, figure out how to do the, what's it called? Let me look for it. I can't find it right now. But she was able to figure out like how to get people to comment on it. But it's basically just it's all an automation. So for example, if I go back to automation, you can have your own workflow, right? So if I create workflow, and then it has stuff already done for you, which is pretty crazy. Like Facebook Messenger, like it has all these things like done for you, but you can start from scratch here. So for example, if you do that, add first action when someone, someone comments, right? So you can see here, you can send an Instagram DM if someone does something. It's just crazy, man.
Yeah.
Let me see. Find. There's somewhere here where it says, yeah, so you can do Instagram DM. Obviously, you have to connect all that, but it's all there. Like you can just say DM on Instagram, whatever you want. So you can automate your entire business. It's super crazy, but it's all done in the software. And then you can have it where, you connect your Instagram and then someone enters an email, it goes into your Funnel Freedom account. So everything is connected. So obviously that's a little bit more advanced. You're going to have to learn that and set that up. But the main business is set up. Like you don't have to worry about like the emails anymore, the funnels. Like it's all done. Now you just got to get traffic. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm excited for you to dive into. I know you have a little bit more experience, so you'll be able to kind of figure out a lot of these things that you can do. I was going to show you one more thing here, if I can get this to work. Is there any questions so far?
No.
Cool. Yeah, it looks like now my thing's freezing up on me. But okay. It's freezing up on me. But for the most part, you're pretty set up, or you are completely set up. Now moving forward, like all you gotta, there's a lot you can do with the software, more advanced things, like I said. But the most basic thing, the most like you're good to go. You have your domain in there, your email set up, it's all done. So yeah, man, you're good to go. So if there's any other questions, go ahead and ask me now. If not, I think you're good to go. You're off to the races. You can start sending people to your domain, start getting people on your list, all that good stuff, man.
I mean, that was pretty much straightforward. Like you said, it was a pretty easy, process integrating everything. So definitely impressed.
Awesome, man. Well, I appreciate you going all in with everything. That's why we did the call, because I said whoever goes all in, they pay for the whole year. I'm willing to get on a call and help you guys out, and I appreciate you getting on and doing this with me, and hopefully it was of value to you. And yeah, man, good luck with everything. I'll see you in the group. Let us know if you have any questions. One more thing I want to mention: if you do get stuck on anything, we have 24-hour support with Funnel Freedom, 24/7 chat support, and then as well as if you do get stuck, you can go and schedule a Zoom call with our support, and they'll get you they'll get you all signed up or all figured out as soon as possible.
Gotcha.
So. Awesome, Brandon. Well, you have a great Sunday, man. Thank you so much again, and reach out if you need anything.
Okay. Definitely will. Thank you, Jonathan.
All right, have a good one, bro. God bless.